4x4 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1985 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe K10. Regular cab fleet side. Colonial yellow and tan truck originally. Speaking of original, it does have the original 305 numbers matching V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. And that's the way this truck was produced back in 1985 by Chevrolet. Power steering, power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside of this truck, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the grille, chrome up front. Headlight surrounds. Now, as far as the paint, we have left this truck as original as we got it. It's actually out of Montana. And take a look at this. There are some little rock chips, what have you, up front. We just wanted to leave this thing original, the originality of it, which is pretty cool. We're going to check out around each of these wheel wells also, up and down the passenger side. I wanted to show you these. So many of these trucks you see are gone, full of holes, bubbling. Again, we have left this. There may be some spots where there's a little bare metal. We did it so you can see what's underneath it. It's not full of Bondo. It's not a thick truck. Just take a look at that. Again, out of Montana. Spent the majority of its life. Saddle vinyl interior. We're going to look at that when we get around to the driver's side. That looks much unchanged. Bed of it, again, left it the way it came to us. This is one of those you want to drive, enjoy it the way it is in its originality. You want to take it to the next level, you sure can. These trucks are getting tougher and tougher to find that are solid. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It is the original engine. Again, 305, does have an aluminum intake on it, Edelbrock to be exact. Also headers, Flowmaster exhaust. When you start it up, it's got a great sound to it. So again, you can see we've left little blemishes on it. Not going to repaint it, not going to go over it. We're going to leave it the way it looks. And that is up to the next owner, what they would like to do to it. As you can see, it's got a little newer style wheel, beauty rings, 4x4 caps. You can also check out inside the glove box in these, and the glove box door on the inside will be the specifics to how this truck was ordered. Check it out, it's in the still pictures, and again, those still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. Take a look around these wheel wells. Lower rockers, and then again up to the cab corners. Leaving it the way it came to us. According to the technician that drove this, and actually the owner drove it for a weekend, truck drives out nicely. Interior, or saddle door panels. Would have been saddle vinyl bench seat. It appears that it has been recovered with a cloth vinyl blend. Played around in here a little bit. It does have a JVC aftermarket stereo that's in working order. Wipers work. Blower fan works. Of course, tilt column. Doesn't appear to be any rips, tears, or anything in the seat. Sliding back window. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay, wrap up this video. Again, the 305, numbers matching, paired up with a 4-speed manual. Like I said, Edelbrock intake, headers, Flowmaster exhaust. Hear the radio kick in. Sorry, I said JVC earlier, Kenwood. Apologize for that. A little remote control up there also. Take a look at that dash. What do you know? Mid-80s pickup that isn't all cracked. Sun-baked. Discolored. Wow. Custom Deluxe insignia on the dash. slip around to the back so you hear it run. Notice there was a little manila envelope with some receipts and what have you in the glove box also. Some of the things the previous owners had done to the truck. Sounds good. I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this a second. Let's pop this hood. Let's check out the engine bay and see how it looks underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Original numbers matching 305. Again, headers, power steering, power brakes, pedal block intake. Let's have ATI ignition back there. Smooth running, good sounding truck. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this truck? Not a problem. Consult with one of our sales consultants. Let them know what you got cooking. Be happy to let somebody look over this truck for you. If you can't make it, see it yourself. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726, number to call. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.